Hey guys, Phil here with BLP3 Motors. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hey, if you've not liked this video already, make sure to like this video. And if you have not subscribed, make sure to subscribe because it's totally going to help the channel. So as you guys can tell from the title, today we're going to be taking a look at profiles on Instagram. Now, if you want to feature your channel on Instagram, there are two things that need to happen. So first off, you need to message me and let me know, give me your Instagram handle. And then second off, you have to be a subscriber. This is something that I'm doing for my subscribers to give back to them and grow our relationship. And the nice thing about what I'm doing too is that it's going to be a great way to bring awareness to your channel, to your build, and it's a great way for me to connect you with sponsors. I am starting a BLP3motors.com website, and so with that I'm going to be pulling in sponsors and putting sponsors on there and connecting people with sponsors, along with myself. And so I'm a big believer on blessing other people with blessings that kind of come to me. That's just the way I live my life, and that's the family and community that you guys are entering to. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and check out some Instagram profiles and take a look at some builds. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at Mustangs today. And if you have any suggestions in the comment section, let me know, and we can start taking a look at some specific type of vehicles, models, and whatnot. But let's take a look. So this is my profile. Make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, and on Snapchat, on Twitter, and on Facebook. We're trying to grow there. But let's take a look at Mustang. All right. So I do like this change. I've been seeing a lot of the lights here, and I think it's a great element. I like the lip here, and I do like the wheels here. That is a very clean looking Mustang, and so I'm a big fan of the wing. Okay, so I mean, I grew up in a town in Temple City, California, very Asian culture, so there's just some JDM things about me that will probably never go away. And the rear wing spoiler being like that is definitely one of them. And I do like the raised hood here. I'm a big fan of this, actually. And I'm not a big fan of the wheels, but I could see how people could like them. Oh my goodness, that is not a Mustang, but that is so black. I'm actually a fan of this color. This has a freaking awesome color. Alright, here we go. So the wing is back here. I like that, and I really like the wheels here. White is just a good color. Old school. That is beautiful, and those rims are sick. So I love the quad tip exhaust. That's one thing that if I ever do have a Mustang, that is a must. Love the quad. That's just a really good color too. I like, okay, so I'm a big fan of tire lettering. If you're not a big fan of tire lettering, it's not for everyone, but I think it really makes the side profile of a car pop. I do like this element here, and it looks like they have the slits here too. I don't know what this is called. The name is losing me, but I'm a fan of that, and I'm a fan of this. And I like the molding here. Oh man, that is sick. That is sick. It's the green on gray on black. I like this touch here, and I like this. See, this is very JDM. I like this. I am a sucker for JDM. That's a really good looking Mustang. Black. The thing with black Mustangs is it's just the best color, but at the same time, it's so hard to keep it clean. I don't think I'll ever own another black vehicle. I say that now, but I'm not in a place to want to wash my car every day just to take it out and stuff, and I can't garage a car right now. So maybe a black car will be something I'll get in the future where I can garage the car. But I love the spoiler here, and I love how low this rides. Mustangs just look gorgeous. This guy is definitely not a Mustang. Okay. Oh, I like this throwback shot. That's awesome. It's not a Mustang. Stop it. So this is like, I think this is like an older, oh yeah, 2009. There you go. I like this. I like the style. So when I was a senior in high school, my dad wanted to give me a car, and I wanted a 2005 Mustang. That was the year I graduated high school, and that was like my dream car at the moment. I wanted a Mustang, and we couldn't afford it, and I ended up getting my dad's old Chrysler. I was so sad, but this has the look of the Mustang that I originally wanted. I mean, now if I ever bought a Mustang, I don't think I would buy this one because I'm a guy that loves creature comfort, and I like touchscreens, and I like everything digital on the inside, so gone are the days of analog for me. That's definitely not a Mustang. Okay, we got some old school here. I mean, and nothing really beats that look of the old school. Now, I may get crucified for saying this, but I love the look of old school, but I like for the interior for the engine and the interior for the inside, I want it to be 2019, but the outside can be like the 60s, and I believe that's called a resto mod, but I'm a big fan of that. Okay, these are beautiful cars, but these are not Mustangs. I hope to own one of these, or at least lick it. Maybe just lick it. That'll be good. That is not a Mustang either. That's not a Mustang. That's not a Mustang. Oh, yes. This is like the perfect body shape. This is the perfect body shape for a resto mod for me. I friggin' love it. Nice. That's not a Mustang. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that booty. 1967. You know, cars just don't look as cool as they did in the 60s like this, like for the muscle cars. It's just, they don't. That's beautiful. It's not a Mustang. That's a Mustang, but not my favorite looking Mustang. Oh man. Hey, if you guys can draw anything that looks like this, and then it says BLP3 Motors here in your signature here, I will showcase that on my channel. I would love that. I would love to have that sitting in my office. Nice, nice. I love this mesh see-through hood. This is a beautiful Mustang. Guess the horsepower. That's legit. See, some people, okay, I can appreciate this. I can appreciate this, but not for me. Not to own it. But this is nice. This is really clean. Love it. Love it. Holy potatoes, Batman. That looks cool. This looks like Megatron. If Megatron was a Mustang, this is what it is. This is what he'd look like. This is the Decepticon. There's more pictures here. Wait, is this the same one? No, this is different. No, it's the same one. It just looks, the color looks so different. Holy moly. Dude, this is this is a Decepticon. I was gonna say Autobot. That is nuts. What does that thing do? Like 2,000 miles an hour? It just looks fast. That looks savage. What does the interior look like? I mean, I guess it doesn't matter at this point. That is a clean frickin' Mustang. Okay, so this is definitely going to be the profile picture. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm definitely snagging that picture. That's going to be the default picture. Well, anyway, guys, this was just a little sample of what I wanted to do. Again, if you want to feature your build on my channel, make sure to subscribe to BLP3 Motors, and make sure to hit me up on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, Snapchat, yada yada. But get in contact with me, and this is a way that I give it back to my subscribers. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Again, make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe if you're new, and I will catch you guys on the next one.